Hey there, science fans, Bill Nye here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of resistors. These tiny components are the unsung heroes of electronics, quietly working behind the scenes to make our gadgets and gizmos function flawlessly. Get ready to unlock the secrets of resistance. You might not see them, but resistors are everywhere in our electronic devices. They're like the traffic cops of the electrical world, controlling the flow of electricity and making sure everything runs smoothly. Without resistors, our electronics would be a chaotic mess. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride through the world of resistors. We'll explore how they work, the different types, and their countless applications in our daily lives. Get ready to be amazed by the power of resistance. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a resistor? In simple terms, a resistor is an electrical component that resists the flow of electricity. It's like a narrow section in a water pipe that reduces the water flow. Resistors are essential because they allow us to control the amount of current flowing through a circuit. Too much current can damage components, while too little can prevent them from working properly. Resistors help us find that sweet spot. They play a crucial role in countless electronic circuits, from simple LED lights to complex computers. Without resistors, our electronic devices wouldn't work as intended. They're the unsung heroes working behind the scenes. Now let's get a little more technical and explore the science behind resistors. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Imagine electricity as a stream of tiny particles called electrons flowing through a wire. When these electrons encounter a resistor, they collide with the atoms in the resistor material. These collisions create resistance, which slows down the flow of electrons. The amount of resistance a resistor provides is measured in ohms, omega. The higher the resistance, the more the electrons are slowed down and the less current flows through the circuit. It's like trying to run through a crowded room versus an empty one. Resistors are everywhere in our daily lives, even if we don't realize it. Let's look at some relatable examples to see how they work their magic. Ever wondered how a dimmer switch works? It uses a variable resistor to adjust the brightness of a light bulb. By increasing or decreasing the resistance, we can control how much current flows to the bulb, making it brighter or dimmer. Another great example is your trusty toaster. It uses resistors to generate heat. When an electrical current passes through the resistor, it encounters resistance, causing the resistor to heat up and toast your bread. Section 5, a colorful cast of resistors, from tiny chips to giant coils. Resistors come in all shapes and sizes, each with its unique properties and applications. Some are tiny surface mount devices, or SMDs, found in smartphones, while others are large, heavy-duty resistors used in industrial equipment. One common type is the carbon resistor, identified by its colorful bands. These bands represent numerical values that indicate the resistor's resistance value. They're like secret codes that tell us how much resistance each resistor provides. Other types include metal film resistors, wire wound resistors, and more. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages depending on the specific application. It's a whole world of resistors out there. Section 6. Resistors essential for everyday electronics. From the simplest circuits to the most complex electronic devices, resistors play a vital role in our technology-driven world. They're essential for countless applications, making our lives easier and more enjoyable. Think about it: smartphones, computers, televisions, gaming consoles, medical equipment, all these devices rely on resistors to function correctly. Without resistors, our world would be a very different place. They're the unsung heroes of electronics, quietly working behind the scenes to power our modern world. So next time you use your smartphone or watch TV, take a moment to appreciate the humble resistor. Section 7. Exploring resistance. Fun experiments to try at home. Want to experience the power of resistance firsthand? Here are a couple of fun and easy experiments you can try at home. Experiment 1. The dimmer switch challenge. Materials: a battery, a light bulb, wires, and a pencil. Instructions: create a simple circuit with the battery, light bulb, and wires. Then connect the pencil lead to the circuit. By moving the pencil lead along the graphite, you can change the resistance and observe how it affects the brightness of the light bulb. Experiment 2. The Play-Doh resistor. Materials: Play-Doh, salt, sugar, water, wires, a battery and a small LED. Instructions: create different Play-Doh mixtures with varying amounts of salt and sugar. Connect each mixture to the circuit and observe how the LED's brightness changes. The different mixtures will have different resistances, affecting the current flow. These experiments are a fun and engaging way to learn about resistance and its effects on electrical circuits. So, gather your materials and unleash your inner scientist. Section 8. The future of resistance. Smaller, stronger, smarter. As technology advances, so do resistors. Researchers are constantly developing new materials and manufacturing techniques to create smaller, more powerful and more efficient resistors. Nanotechnology is playing a significant role in this evolution. Scientists are exploring the use of nanomaterials like graphene and carbon nanotubes to create resistors with exceptional properties. These nanoresistors could revolutionize electronics, leading to even smaller and more powerful devices. The future of resistance is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and advancement. Who knows what amazing electronic marvels await us in the future, all thanks to the power of resistance. Section 9. Keep on resisting. That's a wrap on our electrifying journey through the world of resistors. We've explored what they are, how they work, and their countless applications in our daily lives. Remember, resistors are the unsung heroes of electronics, quietly working behind the scenes to make our gadgets and gizmos function flawlessly. So next time you encounter a resistor, take a moment to appreciate its importance. It's a tiny component with a big impact, shaping the world around us in countless ways. Keep on resisting and keep exploring the fascinating world of science.